Hello everybody, welcome to my channel today. I am actually on my way out to an appointment and then this arrived and I'm so excited that I just quickly ran downstairs and I'm going to quickly open this box with you guys because I cannot wait to see what's inside. So if you saw my last unboxing, which was the spring one, I told you guys I was probably going to cancel, and I did cancel, but I am weak. I am so weak. I reactivated my account. I said, nope, I'm not doing it. And then they sent me spoilers and I was like, nope. I even told my friend from Kathy's Life, I told her about it and I said, are you tempted? And she goes, well, I don't know, I'm kind of tempted. Are you tempted? And I said, I'm not doing it. And then I sent her a message and said, okay, I bought it. I was just so tempted by some of the spoilers that they showed me. But one quick little thing I just want to mention is, so I was a yearly subscriber. So what that meant was I was able to do a lot of add-ons as well as customization. Now I know you can customize some things even if you just buy an individual box, but if you buy the year, you get to customize a lot of things. You can buy the things, you can buy all the customizations for an extra $10 each, which is sometimes appealing. And you also get to do it a lot earlier than everybody else. So I wanted to, if I was going to rejoin, I wanted to join as a yearly member again. So when I got the email asking if I want to buy a box again, I said yes. And then it just took me to a summer box. And so I did the online chat and I said, I don't want a summer box. I want a yearly membership because I want to customize. And she said, unfortunately, you've got to say yes. And then as you go down the steps, then you can upgrade to the year. So I did do that. But then I saw on my credit card, they charged me for a summer box and a year box. So I ended up getting charged for 5 boxes. So I was not very happy because I thought that was very misleading. So I did contact them and they said they will reverse and I will only get charged for 1 year. So I was happy about that. But then I think because they thought I was only buying a summer box, I wasn't able to customize as much as I wanted to. So I'm a little bit cheesed off about that. But anyway, the main thing I wanted was one thing that I will show you guys in a minute, and the rest, I mean, it's not a big deal. And from now on, I'll be able to customize. So anyway, let's get started. I'm in a hurry as well. So this is the box. It's really, really pretty. I love these colors. It looks like a hibiscus plant and maybe some birds of paradise, and then this pretty peach. And then we will open it up and see. Sorry, I should have unsealed it before I started this with you guys. Sorry. Okay. So here we go. And as always, you get the magazine. This feels a lot thicker than the last one. Oh, there's crossword puzzles. And I always really enjoy these magazines because they tell you about the products. And then there's also some fun articles. And I think that's Eva Longoria. So this will be a nice little read. And I'll just open it so that I can tell you guys what the products are when I open them. So there's a HelloFresh coupon. And then if I refer people coupon. So the first thing here, this is what I wanted the most. And it is this Brazilian and Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Gel. So this is the Bum Bum Cream scent, and it's by Sol de Janeiro. I've actually never tried this product. I've tried almost all the Sol de Janeiro stuff, but not this. And yes, I could walk into Sephora today and buy this, but no, I had to get it through the Fabfitfun Box because I just wanted it. That's how this brain works, and I'm a marketer's dream because I get sucked in every time. So I'm super excited to try that. I've heard great things and I love the Bum Bum smell. This is some Invisibobbles. I have a million of them, but I guess here's a few more. They're always handy. I take them to hot yoga. I always wrap them around my water bottle so I never forget. This is Generation Clay. It is a brightening purple clay mask, so this will be nice. I'm assuming it is a face mask, not a hair. Must be a clay mask for face. This looks nice. A rose spray. Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. So that looks very interesting. I can't remember if this was a customization. I know for sure this was. And you could also customize for a robe, which I really, really wanted, as well as a beach bag. And I actually wanted all 3, but I could only get this and I think the beach bag. I wasn't able to get the robe. I don't know. So I got a deluxe size of the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. I'm assuming this is the deluxe. This isn't the size that you would buy. I'm not quite sure. But anyway, that'll be nice. And what do we have here? Whish. This is an exfoliating foot mask. And I've used a lot of Whish products. They're great for post waxing. So I do use them for that, but I've never used any of their foot products. So I will definitely give that a try. That was my problem with the boxes in previous, is I liked a lot of the stuff, but I would end up decluttering a lot of it. But when I saw the spoilers for this particular box, I thought, you know what, I'm probably going to use most of that. So for the odd little bit that I would declutter, for the most part, I would be using a lot of it. And so far, yes, definitely. And this I was also very interested in. This is Coola, and it is a makeup setting spray sunscreen. So I'm super excited about this. I'm just obsessed with sunscreen, and I just don't want to use just the traditional types of creams on my face because I have very oily skin. So I want to keep the amounts of products and layers to a minimum. This is from Living Proof. I do enjoy a lot of Living Proof stuff. Not all, but I do like a lot of it. And this is a nourishing styling cream. So I'm assuming this is something you would use when you blow dry. So that would definitely be used. Now this, you guys are going to laugh. I did ask for this. It was a choice. I can't remember what the choice was, but I chose the exercise bands. I actually really like these. They're just those thin rubber ones. I've taken them on vacations because they're super light, and you can do so many exercises with them. We use these a lot in my bar classes, and they burn the booty. I also use them on my stair climber. I know that sounds nuts, but when I get on the stair climber, not every time, but especially a lot when I was training, I would put them around my ankles, and then when you're doing the stair climber, ooh, it's fun. So anyway, I asked for these booty bands. I like them. And the beach bag. So I did get the beach bag. I thought for some reason I didn't. But yeah, I'm obsessed with beach bags. I have about 1,000, but I want 1,001. And this is a really fun color. It's, let's see what the inside is like. It's not plastic, so it's not the best like for a wet bathing suit or anything wet, but it is a really cute tote. I love the pattern and style. It's like very Hamptons-ish to me. Really like that, so I'm super happy about that. Oh, I remembered one of the things was a travel hair dryer that I wasn't able to buy for an extra $10. Now, yes, I have a T3 travel hair dryer, but I wanted that one as well. So I think some of these add-on things I just get sucked in and I really don't need them. But I did like the robe and I wish I was able to get that. But that's okay. I'm really happy with all my stuff. And then I did also do an extra add-on. And it is this, I don't know what you would call it. It is a sign. So I'm going to put it on my back counter here as part of my channel, and I'm just going to write little things on there. I have no idea what I'm going to write yet, but it's just a message board, and I notice a lot of YouTubers do that, and I just really like that they put inspirational quotes or just some fun things, and I'm going to use it definitely on my channel. So all in all, I love this box. This is probably one of the best boxes, and that's why I got sucked in, and I've joined for a year, so I'm definitely going to have another 3 boxes to come, and I will share that with you guys, and I'll share with you guys what I thought of these products. But this one is the one I was most excited about. I don't know why, but I really wanted it. So now I have it, and I get to try it out. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye!